In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications for Gmail, ensuring you never miss an important email again. With the constant flow of information and communication in our digital age, staying updated with prompt email notifications can significantly enhance your productivity and ensure you're always in the loop. First things first, let's start with the basics. You'll need to navigate to your Gmail inbox. You can do this by going directly to mail.google.com and logging in if you're not already signed in. Once you've reached your inbox, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now, to take the next step towards enabling notifications, you'll want to locate the settings icon. This is typically found in the top right corner of your screen, symbolized by a gear icon. The placement might vary slightly depending on any custom themes or layouts you've applied, but it's generally in the top right corner. After clicking on the settings icon, a drop-down menu will appear, but we're looking for more comprehensive options than what's immediately available here. Look for the option that says See All Settings and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail experience. Within the settings page, you'll find a tab or section labeled General. This is where Gmail houses its primary settings, including the option we're interested in today, Desktop Notifications. Gmail offers a straightforward way to turn on email notifications, but it requires an extra step to enable this feature fully. Look for the section that mentions Desktop Notifications, and you'll see a link or button that says something to the effect of click here to enable desktop notifications for Gmail. This is an important step because Gmail uses browser notifications to alert you of new emails, and your browser needs permission to send you these alerts. Clicking this link will prompt a browser window or pop-up asking you to allow Gmail to send you notifications. This step is crucial because without your explicit permission, your browser won't display these alerts. Each browser handles this slightly differently, but generally you'll see a dialog box near the top of your screen asking if you want to allow notifications from Gmail. Select Allow or the equivalent option in your browser. After granting permission, you'll likely need to select the specific type of notifications you want to receive from Gmail. Options typically include notifications for all new mail or only for important mail. Choose the option that best suits your needs. You can always come back and adjust these settings later if you find you're getting too many alerts or not enough. And just like that, you've successfully enabled desktop notifications for Gmail. You should now start receiving real-time alerts whenever you receive new emails, ensuring you're always up to date with your correspondence. A final tip, periodically check your notification settings in both Gmail and your web browser to ensure everything is operating as expected. Sometimes browser updates or changes in your email habits might necessitate a tweak in your settings to keep notifications flowing smoothly. Remember, enabling notifications is just one step towards managing your email more effectively. Regularly pruning your inbox, setting up filters, and making use of Gmail's various organizational tools can also contribute to a more efficient email experience. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide has made the process of turning on Gmail notifications clear and straightforward. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital tools and streamline your online life. Happy emailing, and may your inbox always bring you good news.